Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest in tech.
Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about.
The WD Black SN770M SSD.
Let's dive right in. Alright, so what's the deal with this SSD?
Well, it's not just any ordinary solid-state drive. It's compact, it's powerful, and it's tailored specifically for portable gaming systems.
But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk specs. The WD Black SN770M comes in capacities of 500 GB, 1 TB, and a whopping 2 TB. That's right, 2 TB of storage in a tiny M2 2230 form factor. Its PCIe 4.0x4, NVMe 1.4 interface ensures blazing fast speeds, with sequential read and write speeds reaching up to 5,150 MB per second and 4,900 MB per second respectively. And with up to 800K random read and write IOPS, this thing is an absolute beast when it comes to performance. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. Whether you're gaming on the go with your Steam Deck or rocking an Asus ROG Ally, the WD Black SN770M has got you covered. Its TLC NAND flash technology ensures reliability and endurance, even under heavy workloads. But here's the kicker, it's not without its drawbacks. The SN770M does tend to run a bit hot, which might be a concern for some users. And its power consumption? Well, let's just say it's not the most efficient out there. But hey, when you're getting top-tier performance and a whopping 2 TB of storage, some compromises are to be expected. Alright, let's take a closer look at the SSD itself.
The packaging is sleek and professional, giving you the peace of mind that comes with retail products. And when it comes to the SSD, it's single-sided, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. Plus, with its powerful controller and 112-layer TLC NAND flash, you're getting cutting-edge technology packed into a compact form factor. But it's not just about the hardware. WD also offers some neat software tools to enhance your experience. With the Western Digital Dashboard and Acronis True Image, you can easily manage your drive, check its health status, and even clone your data for easy migration. It's all about convenience, folks. So, what's the verdict?
Well, the WD Black SN770M is undoubtedly a powerhouse of an SSD.
With its top-tier performance, generous capacity, and solid software support, it's a no-brainer for gamers on the go.
Sure, it might run a bit hot and guzzle a bit more power, but when you're getting this level of performance, it's a small price to pay.
Just be prepared to shell out a bit more cash for the 2 TB version.
Overall, if you're in the market for a portable gaming SSD that doesn't compromise on performance, the WD Black SN770M is worth considering.
And that wraps up our review of the WD Black SN770M SSD.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!